While scrolling through social media, I came across a rather strange and creepy video. An Instagram account named Bluter Decken Kahini seems to only repost videos without providing the original source. And one particular video caught my attention. The user added this caption: "A man was recording a fight between two passengers on a flight home from Japan. When he reviewed the footage later, he saw something frightening." As you can see, in the overhead luggage bin compartment, a shape resembling a head appears right next to some luggage, whether it's a suitcase or a bag. This anomalous head only appears for a few seconds before disappearing. It's difficult to track down the original source of the video, but it's strongly suspected that the footage was captured before the advanced smartphone cameras we have today became common. It might even be a clip from a Japanese TV show that focuses on the supernatural. But what do you all think of this footage?